ako matatakot.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum where people come to see them. They really are a scream, the Addams Family. Neat, sweet, petite. So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams Family.
Saan kita pa kami mo? Apakan mo mo, gagalaw yan na yan, no? Apakan mo. Apakan mo yan.
I like collecting things. Can I show you my collection?
Asan yung mataas? Ah, ito. Oh my God, ako nagulat. Takot yun.
Hi.
Diba nga? Ano ba yan? Snake. Jessica. Scared. Smile.
Oo. Gusto.
Ilapit mo siya dun, ah.
Gusto.
Kiss mo, kuya.
Gusto come.
Come, dali. Siya si Chessy.
Tatay ako.
Natatay si Iko.
Tatay ako.
Nagtatay rin siya. Ikaw mag-laro. Nilabila si Iko.
Wala kang pera eh.
Shake my cheese.
There you go. You guys aren't carrying the bag, right? They do all the work, they do all the reading.
Thank you. Palabasin mo, Nicolong. Mababanggain ka pati mo.
May pasok man daw si Iggy.
Say trick. Thank you.